My wife actually just did this. So the question is, can you explain the detailed step by process for asking for discount when paying the medical bill in full? Do I call the number in the invoice? Okay, great question. Yes. The answer is yes. You don't call the insurance company. You actually call the medical provider who invoiced you. So in the statement, you're at the very bottom in the little tiny phone numbers, right? It's gonna tell you, hey, call this number. And when you have the cash ready to go, let's say you owe $1,000 for a medical procedure that you had to do. Call them, call that number and say, hey, listen, I would like to pay this in full. Is there any way you can give me a discount? Because I'm ready to pay with this with my credit card, debit card, or check, whatever, right? And then they're gonna be like, okay, yeah, let me take a look real quick. And this is how the conversation goes. Well, let me look at your account. Yes, and your name was Mimi, okay? And say, oh, Miss Mimi, yes. So you owe about $1,000 on this invoice from the medical procedure that you did. But I can go ahead and take this out, take this line out of the invoice that's not applicable to you. We can give you a 10% discount. That's gonna save you $100 and this and that. And we probably save on average about between 10 and 20%. Let's call it 15% for every medical bill that we get. Because high deductible health plan, when you have HSA, high deductible, right? So naturally you're gonna be making higher co-payments. So when that happens, just make sure to call them and say, I'm ready to pay in full. And then they give you a discount and say, all right, here's the new bill. You can go to this website, make sure they give you that website and say, take a look at the new balance. But when you make that payment, make sure that the new balance is in there and then print out the invoice and download it, save it somewhere, okay? Because if you're on the FIRE journey, you wanna pay out of your annual expenses. If this was an emergency, and it's more than the annual expenses, then you wanna pay out of the emergency fund, okay? What we don't wanna do for people on FIRE is use the HSA to pay for the medical expense, because I want my index fund inside my HSA to grow for the next 10, 20, 30 years, okay? And that's why we don't use it. That's why we use cash to make those prepaid expenses. Anyway, when you make that payment, print it out, download a PDF, save it, safeguard it, don't lose it. Because from my experience, the medical services, no offense to anybody in the medical field, they're really terrible with keeping track of the record. So if they come back and telling you and say, oh, hey, you still owe us $200 because you only pay $800 after the 20% discount, you can be like, I have a record here saying that if I paid in full, then I would get this discount. So I caution you to not make that full payment until the new balance is reflected, because you don't want to pay 800 out of 1,000. Now the system on their system is saying that, oh, you only paid 800 out of 1,000. You still owe 200. Give it a day or two for the system to reflect that you got a discount and they took out some of the line numbers from there, and then make the full payment, okay? I have done this so many times. My wife has done this so many times. She's more of an expert than I am, but every time you call them and say, I want to pay this in full, they're going to give you a discount 9 times out of 10, because they don't want to put it into a collection. They don't want to put you in debt. They would rather get that cash now for revenue for the hospital, right? Because the hospital doesn't want to just, all right, I'm going to put this guy in debt, and they don't get that cash right away because they will have to go to the lender to get that cash. But when they get that cash from you right away, that is an instant revenue for them. Does that make sense? Hospitals are a business in the US. As terrible as that sounds, it is. So, we don't have a very good healthcare system in the US, but it's just the way it works in this country. Really good question, Mimi. I hope that helps you with the question. That's just one of those things that you can do to save some money on that. So, good question.